Hey guys, just want to show you guys something I saw from my window. Our Fwang Tung Starfruit fell off the tree. So it's nice and ready. Some ants on there, but this is ready to eat. Very pretty. So we have this one that's almost ready. And I think here's another one. This one is almost ready. Pretty. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just bag the rest. So if it do fall and I'm not out here, it's protected somehow until something gets smart and discover it. Here's another one. That one is still pretty much green. But yeah, this one is the next one to ripe. This one should be ripe in probably 2 more days. So yeah, the Fwang Tung Starfruit.